Alright, here we are in the room temperature room, which houses our Rhacodactylus and our poison dart frogs. It's during the day, so hopefully we'll be able to see some frogs. First tank we've got Intermedius, which is... no, there's one right there as well. Next to them we have imitators. You can see one on the leaf right there. And we've got Quinclivitatis. There's one right there. That's the top rack. Go down a rack, and there's Vanzolini right there, of course, going away from me. Into the light where you can't see them. Isn't that awesome? We'll go down a rack because I see one already out down here. That is Dendrobates Pomelio Man Creek. Oh, there's the other one right there, I didn't even see it. He's calling actually, you can see his throat puffed out. We've got up one, Dendrobates leucomella. See if we can get the Vanzolini through the glass. We switch sides. Oh, sorry about that. We've got Azurius. Oh, I got both the wire pokes out today. Go up a rack, we have more tinks, but these are Patricia. Mint Terribilis. See if they give us any eggs today. Nope. Then Amazonicus. If I can find it. There it is. That's all the racks on this side. I've got 3 open tanks right now. You can see crested gecko groups right there. Well, I shouldn't say you can see them actually because they're asleep. It's during the day. Chahua. Leachianus tank. We've got our red-eyed tree frog group in here. See if I can get back far enough to kind of give you a whole vision of the tank. There's more baby crested geckos down there, and down there, down there. And that rack is mostly gargoyle gecko babies over there. Then we're on to our Pomelio. These are San Cristobal. Can I get that one up there? Let's see, yep. That is San Cristobal locale. On to the next tank. Are our Cherokee Rivers. And I don't know if we'll be able to see any of them or not. They're pretty good at hiding because their tank is pretty planned. They hide up there a lot. There are eggs right there. You can see the tadpole inside if you look real close. We've got escudos next to them. Oh. That's the Cherokee male telling me, you can hear me but you can't see me. There's our pair of escudos right there. See the other one just joined the picture. Right now they're taking care of tads. You can see that fat little guy right there. Let's see. I'm not finding him. Found a belly of an imitator. We'll move on. This is what the tank we're eventually going to go to on all of them. These are 20 talls. And these are our bastimentos that we just moved in here a couple days ago, waiting for the tank to grow in. The female is right. Let's see, maybe we can get her from... Nope. There's the male right there. He is, we bought him as a peach phase back in like 2005. The female's bright red. Kind of see her nose right there. That does it for this rack, or Camellia anyway. We have other growouts. We have some of our baby Man Creek Camellia that we're growing up. We've got Vitatis. Down in the bottom rack we're growing out some Citronella tinctorius and also some Sour Yellowback tinctorius. That's basically it for right now.